Everyone, this is Eric with Eric's Adventure Lab, and today I will be replacing the taillights on my GX470, the turn signal and brake lights from normal halogen bulbs to LEDs. So, what I ended up getting was these VLEDs. So I got red that are going to go in these two slots. And then I got these from LasFit. I will put the part numbers in my bio, and these turn signals that are up here are a different brand, and these basically eliminate hyperflash so you don't get any weird issues. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. First step is to take these two nuts off, and these are 10 millimeters. 10 mil socket on this, and once you get these two off, basically come on this outside and just kind of pull on the tail light a little bit, and it should come out. You might have to wiggle it a hair. There we go. So just kind of pull back and it comes out, and there's only one plug in here. Let me see if I can get a better shot of it for everybody. You could see there's only one plug that goes on top. There's nothing else on the bottom, and that supplies power to everything. So this plug, just kind of squeeze the connector and pull it out, and you've got your entire taillight assembly removed. With that removed, it's a little bit dirty, so I will definitely be cleaning this up. And then, like I said before, on the bottom two, I end up getting red LEDs, and then the top is this turn signal, and I'll show a comparison of the stock versus the new ones. Opening these packages up, I'm going to start by replacing the bottom two. These are going to be the brake lights and kind of normal running lights. All you do to remove this is twist, and it pulls right out. So just pull the old bulb out and put the new one in. It's the same on either side, so you could just put it in either way, doesn't really matter. And then just right back in to where it is and twist, and that's how it goes. So the straight part should be facing down, and then there's an angled part that should be facing the outside of the tail light. There we go. And then same thing with the top one. Twist it counterclockwise. Should pop out. And then this one will be these bulbs. And with this one, you do want to take a look at the prongs. So you can see there's one here and one contact here, and then on this one there's one contact here and one contact here. So you want to line it up and just basically push it till it clicks, and then this goes right back into the housing. And then you turn it clockwise until it locks in, and then that is basically it. It's a pretty fast process. And then now to just put them back on the car. And once you have all this done, just plug the connector back in. You kind of gotta put the tail light on here close enough. plug the connector back in and slide this into place. And I will now go test these and kind of show you a difference between the passenger side, which I just replaced, and the driver's side that is still the stock bulbs. Once they're replaced, I tested them. The top turn signal bulb I actually did have to flip because it wasn't working the way I installed it. So don't tighten your screws down. And then to put these back in, you see there's this like little plastic clip, and then on the taillight assembly, if this focuses, there's this plastic clip, so that has to align when you push it back in. So let me. So align those, and then your holes should automatically align as well. And then just put in your 10 mil bolts. Alright, so here's the difference between these. You can see how bright these are, and then look at this other side, and I'll try to get a view and you can see. And the biggest difference is when you do the turn signal. So if you go the passenger turn signal, you see how bright that is? And now the driver's turn signal, look how much brighter that is. And then you don't get the hyper flash using this one. So now hit the brake lights. Yeah, you can see how bright these are, and these are definitely a little more dull. So pretty quick and easy upgrade, and definitely gives you way brighter taillights. Thanks everybody for joining me today. If you see something you like and you thought this was interesting, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and look forward to more Lexus GX videos.